Hello and welcome to another exam paper walkthrough. Today we're switching back to our Aiming 4 series and we're looking at the Aiming for a Grade 4. This is not a predicted, this is a practice paper, so it's not been written based on what's already happened, it's been written based on general prediction of a paper 2. Very good practice paper though. So from Edexcel, from the exam board, so quality is top quality, top draw. Just skimming through, seeing whether there's anything interesting written in there. No. Yeah, here we go. Questions have been arranged in ascending order of mean difficulty as found by all students in the November examinations. So it's been written based on questions that students have struggled with. It's a really great paper. Okay then, question 1. So a baker has 3 bags of flour, A, B and C. Bag A and bag B contain the same amount of flour. Bag C contains 940 grams of flour. In the 3 bags there is a total of 2,500 grams of flour. Work out the amount of flour in bag A. Okay, so in effect what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that there is X grams of flour in bag A, X grams in bag B, and 940 grams in bag C. So 2X plus 940 is going to be equal to 2,500 grams. So 2X is going to be equal to, if I minus 940 from both sides, I would get 1,560 grams. So divide both sides by 2, there's going to be 780 grams in each bag. Okay, question 2. Alex needs to work out the value of 2 plus 3 times by 4. He writes 2 plus 3 equals 5 and 5 times 4 equals 20. So 2 plus 3 plus times 4 is equal to 20. Explain why Alex is wrong. So by orders of operation, he should do the multiplication first. So what I've done is I've underlined the bit that he's done wrong. So in effect, that bit's wrong. So my reason is going to be by orders of operation. Three times 4 should be done first. Okay. Right, question 3. So write 31% as a fraction. So I'm going to introduce, not that calculator, I'm going to introduce my calculator for this. I don't really need it for this, but it's good practice just to show you a couple of features on your calculator. I could type this in as 31 shift and then my percentage button, which is there. So that's going to be equal to 31 out of 100 using your percentage button on your calculator. Write 0.37 as a fraction. Again, can do this without a calculator, but on a calculator paper, it makes sense. 37 out of 100. And then question 4, write a quarter as a percentage. So I think that we can do this on our fraction button. So if I put my fraction there, that should give me 25%. So you can use your calculator for that as well. So 25%. Alternatively, you can say 1 out of 4 is the same as 25 out of 100. But that calculator button can be useful. Okay, question 6 then. So this diagram shows a rectangle. On a centimetre grid below, draw an accurate scale drawing of this rectangle using a scale of 1 centimetre to 5 metres. So I'm going to assume that this is drawn correctly. So 35, let me actually just do it here, divided by 5 equals 7. And then 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So I'm doing a triangle that's 7 by 4. So start near the top, 2, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7, and 4 down. So that's going to be my accurate-ish drawing of a triangle, drawing of the rectangle. Okay, question 7. This scale can be used to change between kilometers and miles. Use your scale to convert 40 kilometers. So 40 kilometers is looking pretty much flat value between 20 and 30, so I'm going to go 25. Here is the approximate rule to change kilometers to miles. Divide the distance in kilometers by 10 and then multiply by 6. Use this approximation to change 40 kilometers into miles. So I'm doing 40 divided by 10 times by 6. Don't really need to do any stages to show what I'm going to type into my calculator and type it in. So 24. So it's very close. Compare your answer to B with your answer to part A. So two answers are very close. I'm slightly my answer to A is slightly larger, but they're very close.